Good morning, children. Today we can start a new lesson, children. What is new lesson? Fun with the numbers. Numbers you know, isn't it? Then fun with the numbers. That is the chapter name. Lesson 2. Everyone want to write in your notebook. First you have to draw a double line. Take a new page and in that page you can draw a double line and you write the heading. Under that you can write it lesson 2 and heading you want to write in the capital letters. Okay. Then what is fun with the numbers, children? Look here. All of you look here. I will write here some numbers that you tell which number is that. Yes. Look here, children. Yes. What is this, children? Which number is this? 15. Isn't it? What is this? 15. And next. What is this number? Which number is this? 12. Isn't it? What is this? Which number is this? 20. Isn't it? Then next number. Which number is this? 16. And this number 18. Some numbers already given here, isn't it? What are the numbers, children? This one is 15. This one is 12. This one is 16. The number 18. And this one 20. And I will give you some names also though. Okay. Yes, listen. We can give here your friend's name. What is that? Kensa. We can give here the name of Kensa. And here we can give Dudisaya. Dudisaya. And we can give here Crystal. Okay. And here we can give Darvish. Okay. Darvish. And next one we can give here Rohitala. Yes, listen, children. 15, that is Kensa. 12, Dudisaya. 20, Rohitlal. 16, Crystal. 18, Darvish. This is the number they got, number of chocolates. Here, I gave these numbers. These are the number of chocolates got each child. Then here, Kensa got 15 chocolates. Kensa got 15 chocolates. And Didisaya got 12 chocolates. And Rohitlal got 20 chocolates. Here Crystal got 16 chocolates and Darvish got 18 chocolates. Here, who has got more chocolates here, children? Look here. Who has in this Kensa, Didisaya, Rohitlal, Crystal and Darvish? From this, who got more chocolates? That you know, that is Rohitlal, isn't it? Rohitlal got 20 chocolates. Then look here, Kensa got 15 chocolates. Then how much needed, how much chocolates or how much more chocolates needed to get 20 chocolates? She got only 15 chocolates, isn't it? Then everyone have wished to get the 20 chocolates, isn't it? So here Kensa also wished to get 20 chocolates. So how much more? How many more chocolates needed to get 20? Here already 15. 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5, 20, isn't it? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5. If 5 more needed for Kensa to getting 20 chocolates, isn't it? 15 plus 5. 5 more chocolates needed. But here, Didisaya got only 12 chocolates. 12 chocolates. And she also how to getting 20 chocolates. How many more chocolates needed to getting 20 chocolates? 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8. If she got 8 more chocolates, then she will also get 20 chocolates. Isn't it? Then here Crystal got 16 chocolates. Then how many more chocolates needed for getting 20? 4 more. Isn't it? So 16 plus 4, 20 chocolates. And here Darvish already got 18 chocolates, and 2 more needed to get 20, isn't it? 2 more needed. Okay. Here Kensa 5 needed, Didi Saya 8 needed, Crystal 4 needed, and Darvish 2 needed. Then how many of getting more than 15 children? How many of you got more than 15 chocolate in first term? That Lohit Lal got 20 chocolates. First Crystal got more than 15, 16 already got it. And Darvish also got 18 chocolates. Likewise, you look here children in your textbook page number 13. That is a new lesson, fun with numbers. You can see some children are standing there, isn't it? Some 5 children are already there. What are the name of that children? Look here. Here this one Radhika. This is the Radhika. And here this is Gauri. And this one Sunil. And Indra and Vicky. 5 children are already there. They are playing. Here Radhika, Gauri, Sunil, Indra, Vicky. What are they doing? They collect imli seeds. Imli means that is tamarind. Tamarind seeds. They are picking or collecting the imli seeds. Then look they are picking imli seeds. Radhika picked how many seeds she picked? 24 seeds already picked. How many seeds picked? 24 seeds Radhika picked. Then how many seeds picked by Gauri? You look there, I got 47 seeds. She got that Gauri got 47 seeds and Sunil got 38 seeds and here Indra got 54 seeds and this one, who is that? That is Vicky. Vicky got 42 seeds. Look there, Radhika, Sunil, Indra, Gauri, Vicky, isn't it? Radhika got how much seeds? 24 seeds. She got 24 seeds and Gauri got 47 seeds and Sunil got 38 seeds, 54 seeds. Vicky got 42 seeds. Then question, some question there children. Yeah, Dash collected the most seeds. Who collected the most seeds? Look here. Here the question, who collected more seeds? Here you can see this Radhika collected 24 seeds, 47, 38, 54, 42. What are the 24? That is 24 by Radhika. Radhika picked or got 24 seeds and Sunil got 38. Sunil got 38 seeds and Vicky got 42 seeds and Indra got 54. Indra got 54 seeds and one more, who is that? Gauri. Gauri got how many seeds? 47 seeds. 47 seeds. Look here. Radhika got 24 seeds and Sunil 38 seeds. Vicky got 42 seeds. Indra got 54 seeds and Gauri got 47 seeds. The question is, who collected the most seeds? Who collected the most seeds? Then which number is biggest one? From this you can choose, you can take which number is biggest one. 24, 38, 42, 54, 47. Which one is the greatest digit or which one is the greatest number children? Who collected more seeds? Here 24, 38, 42, 47, then 5, 4, 54, isn't it? 54. Here 2, the first digit 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Son, who got more seeds? Indra got more seeds, isn't it? Indra got more seeds, so that is 54 seeds Indra got. Okay. Then second question, so you can write it the in first, you can write it the Indra. Second question, Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Sunil will collect dash more seeds if to be equal to Vicky. Sunil got how much? Sunil got 38. Then Vicky got 42. So he want to take, if Sunil want to get 4 more seeds to equal to Vicky. Sunil got only 38 seeds and Vicky got 42 seeds. Then how many more seeds needed 2 equal to Vicky. Sunil got the 4 seeds. 38 plus 4, isn't it? 39, 40, 41, 42. 4 seeds needed to equal to Vicky's seeds. 42. Okay. So there you can write it 4 seeds. Second one. Then third question. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. If Radhika gets 6 more, Radhika here got 24 seeds. If she gets 6 more seeds, then she will get it 24 plus 6. If she get it 6 more, then she will get it 24 plus 6, 30. She will get it 30. So you can write it down. 30 seeds. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have 30 seeds. Okay. The next question. How many children have more than 40 seeds? How many children have more than 40 seeds? How many children have more than 40 seeds? Here 24, 38, 54, 42, 47. 3 children have. Vicky, Indra and Gauri got more than 40 seeds. So 3 children. 3 children get it. How many children have more than 40 seeds? 3 children. Okay, the next, dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Dash needs 3 more to get 50. Dash child take 3 more seeds, then his number will become 50. Whose number is that? Look here. 24, 38, 54, 47. If Gauri got 47 tamarind seeds, if she get it 3 more, 47 plus 3, then she will get it 50 tamarind seeds. So, whom? That is Gauri. So, you can write it here. The name Gauri needs 3 more seeds to get it 50. Last question. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. This one is 38. It means that is 2 less than 40, isn't it? And Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. Who's that? Who got it 2 more than 40? 42. 2 more than 40 means that is 42. Then who will get it? That Vicky. So you can write it the name Vicky. Okay. Write it here Vicky. Okay children. Then tomorrow you can take it. Everyone how to fill this. Okay.